Mouse Scouts, Chapter 9 Tiger Lily Takes a Stand. Even if Violet had given up on the garden, I'm not going to. Tiger Lily clenched her jaw and balled her paws. We're Mouse Scouts. We can handle thick and thin. We might be tall, but we can plan. We are strong and in need. We have the power of, the oak tree. Tiger Lily hadn't memorized the pledge or the song yet, but she knew there was something about acorns and oak trees and power and strength. Tiger Lily set off to the park to find the other scouts. It didn't take long. Hyacinth and Petunia were sunbathing in the sandbox. Cricket was waiting in the bird bath. Junebug was reading the ingredients of a crumpled bag of Cheeto Delights. Sodium diacetate? Distodium granulate? How could anyone say this or eat this? There are more chemicals and preservatives than any actual ingredients. She put on her gardening gloves and dragged the bag over to the trash. Scouts, listen up, Tiger Lily said. The scouts gathered around her. What's going on? Asked Cricket. We've got a problem in the garden. I thought you took care of those bugs, said Hyacinth, flicking a grain of sand from her nose. This is a bigger problem. Tiger Lily told them all about the animals. Those animals are a nuisance. Someone should do something, said Petunia. Yes, someone should, said Junebug. Who knows how many diseases they've spread through the garden already? We should do something, Tiger Lily said. What can we do? Said Cricket, nibbling on a Cheeto Delight that had fallen out of Junebug's bag. We're not exactly the toughest rodents on the block. These are delicious. We may be small, but we can be tough when we have to be, said Tiger Lily. What is the other animal on that elephants fear? Everyone stared at her. A mouse, shouted Tiger Lily. What animal has helped humans make important leaps in medicine and other scientists? The mouse, said Junebug. She was extremely proud of the fact that her parents were retired lab mice. What animals can make a human scream and jump on a chair just by running across a floor? A mouse, everyone joined in. Do any of these mice back down when the going gets tough? Tiger Lily asked. No, and neither do we. Why? Because we're Mouse Scouts, everyone cheered. So what are we going to do? Asked Junebug when the cheering had died down. Everyone looked at Tiger Lily. Tiger Lily had no idea what to do. We've got to take them by surprise, Violet said, and we've got to scare them. Scare them so badly that they never want to come back. Good thinking, Violet, said Tiger Lily. What could be scary enough to scare scary animals? Nobody said anything. Come on, Scouts, think, said Tiger Lily. What are you afraid of? Violet shut her eyes tightly and tried to think of the scariest thing that she could imagine. She had been scared plenty of times, but there was one thing that scared her more than anything else. I know, Violet said. She whispered it in Tiger Lily's ear. That's it, Tiger Lily shouted. She told everyone Violet's idea and gave them a list of things to bring to the garden. Mouse Scout Handbook. Famous mice in history. Verbena. Legend has it that in ancient times, an elephant carelessly ruined Verbena's home by stepping on it. Verbena took revenge by running up the inside of the elephant's trunk. The elephant nearly suffocated before Verbena ran back down the trunk. From that day on, elephants have feared mice. Hepatica. In the early 1950s, Hepatica led a team of research mice who, working closely with scientists, developed the first successful vaccine for polio. Not one to rest on her laurels, Hepatica founded the Research Institute for Mice, RIM, which has since become the foremost center for mice aspiring to enter the medical research profession. Astor. On a fall day in 1972, a young mouse scout named Astor was searching the kitchen floor for crumbs when a thief broke in. On seeing Astor, the thief screamed and jumped up on a chair. Astor fought her urge to run and hide and stayed in the kitchen, keeping the thief on the chair until the humans returned home. Sadly, the humans never recognized Astor for her feat, but Mouse Scouts celebrate her bravery with a crumb feast every fall.